Starlink is obstructed? What to do? If you're running the Speedify app, Speedify will notify you when your Starlink is obstructed. Speedify constantly monitors your Starlink internet connections for problems and alerts you when there's an issue. If Speedify says that your Starlink is obstructed, that means that it's not got a good enough view of the sky. And it means it hasn't had a good enough view of the sky for a while. This alert doesn't go off until there's been at least 15 minutes of it having trouble grabbing satellites. So when this goes off, you need to go out and look what's going on. Is there a tree over your dish, something overhanging it, a cat sitting on it? Whatever it is, you need to get that dish cleared off and make sure it can see the sky. Speedify does all sorts of cool tricks like this and connection bonding to improve the performance of your Starlink. If you're using Starlink without Speedify, you probably want to head over to speedify.com and get it installed so that you get alerted when there's an issue. If you're interested in more content about how to get the best out of your Starlink, download Speedify today and subscribe for more.